Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability. Canon 2 Propriety. Responsible use of social media. Sections 36 to 44. A lawyer shall uphold the dignity of the legal profession in all social media interactions in a manner that enhances the people's confidence in the legal system, as well as promote its responsible use. Section 36. Responsible use. A lawyer shall have the duty to understand the benefits, risks, and ethical implications associated with the use of social media. Section 37. Online posts. A lawyer shall ensure that his or her online posts, whether made in a public or restricted privacy setting that still holds an audience, uphold the dignity of the legal profession and shield it from disrepute, as well as maintain respect for the law. Section 37. Online posts. A lawyer shall ensure that his or her online posts, whether made in a public or restricted privacy setting that still holds an audience, uphold the dignity of the legal profession and shield it from disrepute, as well as maintain respect for the law. Section 38. Non-posting of false or unverified statements, disinformation. A lawyer shall not knowingly or maliciously post, share, upload or otherwise disseminate false or unverified statements, claims, or commit any other act of disinformation. Section 39. Prohibition against fraudulent accounts. A lawyer shall not create, maintain or operate accounts in social media to hide his or her identity for the purpose of circumventing the law or the provisions of the CPRA. Section 40. Non-disclosure of privileged information through online posts. A lawyer shall not reveal, directly or indirectly, in his or her online posts confidential information obtained from a client or in the course of, or emanating from, the representation, except when allowed by law or the CPRA. Section 41. Duty to safeguard client confidences in social media. A lawyer, who uses a social media account to communicate with any other person in relation to client confidences and information, shall exert efforts to prevent the inadvertent or unauthorized disclosure or use of, or unauthorized access to, such an account. Section 42. Prohibition against influence through social media. A lawyer shall not communicate, whether directly or indirectly, with an officer of any court, tribunal, or other government agency through social media to influence the latter's performance of official duties. Section 43. Legal information, legal advice. Pursuant to a lawyer's duty to society and the legal profession, a lawyer may provide general legal information, including in answer to questions asked, at any fora, through traditional or electronic means, in all forms or types of mass or social media. A lawyer who gives legal advice on a specific set of facts as disclosed by a potential client in such fora or media dispenses limited legal service and shall be bound by all the duties in the CPRA, in relation to such limited legal service. Section 44. Online posts that could violate conflict of interest. A lawyer shall exercise prudence in making posts or comments in social media that could violate the provisions on conflict of interest under the CPRA. That's Canon 2, Propriety on Responsible Use of Social Media under the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability.